Okay, tacky area means that there's moisture trapped underneath, delamination of material, pipe effect created underneath, which means that water has found its way in underneath the waterproofing, which means that the below torchon is saturated with water below, between the screed and the torchon waterproofing system. Cracks on the surface have been noted, as you can see along the sides here, which means that the material potentially is on its way for failure. Cracks, cracks, cracks. Delaminations on parapets. Delamination. This is the garage roof area. I just want to show you the large amounts of ponding water that's on this area that just keeps on accumulating, and the reason for that is that the outlet is too high up and it's not level, so the water literally has to go up this section here to be able to go in, and majority of the water is not doing that. That's why it's ponding on this area over here, which means that the slope design is incorrect with the Torchon waterproofing. Okay, the large amounts of ponding areas have been noted on these two areas, including the garage area. And there is a reason for this, is if you look at the seams of the Torchon, each seam is about 4 millimeters to 8 millimeters in thickness, which means the water needs to be 9 or 10 millimeters to be able to flow over each one of the seams. When it's not at the level of 8 millimeter and it's perhaps 6 millimeter or 7 millimeter, you get ponding like this because the water cannot flow correctly to the outlet. There's two areas, actually 3 areas around this slab that is really bad for ponding.